Happy Wednesday, friends. Let's get started with our daily number corner. All right, today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Let's see what we have today. Make sure you have your May Hitting picture grid with you. Mine is right next to me. We have another yellow card. We start on 73 and we go right, 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 right. All right, let's head over there. So we are starting on 73 and we are going right, 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 right. We land on 77. Perfect. So if we went from 73 to 77, did we add or did we subtract? We added. We added 1, 1, 1, 1. 4, 1. So we added 4 to 73 to get 77. Let's put that on our observation grid for today. So we started on 73. We went right, 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 right. We had 73 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 77. And that is where we ended. How many days in school today? We had 164 days in school yesterday. If we add one more, how many days in school do we have? 165. Awesome. Here we go. 165 days. 65 days. How many hundreds? There's 100. Plus how many tens? 6 tens. And how many ones? 5. And that gives us 165. Expanded form. Remember, we can use our expanded form. We use our hundreds, tens, and ones and our total days to help us write our expanded form, just like we do any equation. So here we go. We have 100 plus 6 tens. 6 tens equals 60. Plus how many ones? 5. Very good. And that gives us our 165 days. So far we have 2 quarters, and that equals 50 cents. Let's add another one for today. Now, how much money do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 quarters, so let's check. 25, 50, 75. We have 75 cents. Great job, friends. Today is Wednesday, April 20th, and let's see what our at-home learning is today. We have a reading lesson, lesson 10. Watch that on Google Classroom. There is no writing, although if you did not finish your friends and family activity, you can certainly do that today. Dreambox for at least 20 minutes. The link to that is in Google Classroom also. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now, and complete your Nature Bites activity. Boys and girls, have a wonderful Wednesday. The weather is getting nicer, so it makes it easier to be outside. Get some fresh air and stay safe. Bye, friends.